alone till we're dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so